In this video, I'll show you how to share your YouTube videos on your Instagram stories. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing down below and giving this video a like so others can find it too. So let's say you just posted a YouTube video, kind of how we do almost every single day for you guys, and you want to share it on your Instagram stories. So I'm going to show you quickly how you can do that. So I'm going to select a random video. Let's say this is the video that I wish to share. Next, what you're going to do is hit this share icon right here, and you're going to select copy link. Now what we're going to do is open Instagram, and what you're going to do is select a random picture from your gallery or a picture that gives a little bit of context of what your video is about. And then what you're going to do is select this little icon right here that you see at the top, and you're going to select link. Right here, I'm going to copy the link to the video, and on the sticker text, you can give some context of what your video is about, or you can maybe lead your followers to open YouTube and watch your video. Once you're done, simply tap on done, and you can move your sticker around. You can even tap it to change the color of it and the font. And once it's ready, you can go ahead and post it on your story. Now, when your followers open Instagram, this is what they will see, and they're going to be able to hit this button right here, and they can open your video. And as you can see, Instagram automatically opened YouTube for me. And that's how easy you can share your YouTube videos on your Instagram stories. Hope that helped.